teammate.
Eliminate all hostiles in the area.
Oh yeah. Really, man? All right, teammate.
Ooh. You coward. It's a fucking lie.
Oh, come on, man.
Ooh.
I almost put it on you.
Hostile eliminated.
Come on, teammate, be for real.
Ooh, shit.
Teammate, come on, man.
Get him.
Yeah, let me. Oh, I shot you.
I gotta switch this up a little bit, but
Yeah.
I walk right into that bullshit. Saved his life.
Oh, come on, man.
Fucking chopper. Oh, he got me on that one.
Man, they got two wolves. got nothing for that, boy.
Going down. It's going down.
Mission time is half over. Maintain the lead.
Come on. Dang.
Spun right in front of the motherfucker. Ain't this a bitch? Look at that shit.
Oh, it's a damn.
Taking effective fire! Throwing a frag!
Enemy precision airstrike. Try cover. Enemy UAV active.
Oh man, I'll definitely get it, man. How did things spawn
shot
up over
him
there?
first.
We've lost the lead. Confirm that. Hostile UAV in the area. Tag secure. Kill confirmed.
Man, come on.
Get lit up! Keep it together.
I didn't know what was going on. I'm all the way through the past the goddamn wall. The motherfucker still said they killed me. Bitch.
Hey, that move out the way.
Confirm that one.
Tossing frag!
Secure the lead.
Dude, mess up my kill streak, man.
That's payback right there!
Ah, shit.
We've lost the lead. Tag secure.
Damn.
What the fuck? Target down!
Get him on your right, on your right.
Under my advantage. The enemy's taking the lead. Touch one.
Get him. Good shit.
We have secured the field. Mission accomplished.
Ooh, I dropped 42. Shot.